How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review the SF920 microphone. So this is a microphone that costs £10 and I have it plugged into my PC. What you're listening to right now is going to be edited audio, and I'm recording in Audacity right now, as you can see, but what you're listening to is not actually this audio. I will be leveling it out and everything. Okay, so this microphone costs £10 and I actually bought it for gaming commentary on my PC, which is what I'm using it for right now. But it's not actually recommended for, gaming commentary because it's an omnidirectional microphone. So if I bring up the notepad over here and I start typing, you can probably hear that really well. It's really loud. Now I didn't know that the BM700 or the other one, the BM800, was actually £10 as well, but I found that out after I bought this microphone, and that's a cardioid microphone and it sounds a lot better than this one. So you can probably go look at that one, but in this video I'm going to be taking a look at this one. It's not actually all that bad when it comes to typing and playing games, because I've actually used this for my gaming commentary and it's pretty okay actually. All you have to do is move it closer to your mouth, and I'm not using a pop filter and anything like that. That's why it's probably gonna pop. But if I move it closer to my mouth, or if I move my mouth closer to it and then talk with the keyboard, it's not going to be as annoying as you think it is. So I'm just going to do that right now. Okay, so I've moved the microphone closer to my mouth and I'm typing on the keyboard as well. So you can probably hear the keyboard and the clicking, but honestly it's not as bad as it actually seems to be. So it's okay for gaming, although I don't really recommend it for gaming because it is an omnidirectional microphone. Okay, one of the things that this microphone has is, if you go into the sound control panel, I've actually got it plugged into a USB 7.1 channel sound card adapter thing, because apparently it sounds best with that, and I had that lying around for years now, so I just picked it back up out of the box and I've started using it with this. Although, well, you can't actually use this with anything really. If you just click on properties and go on custom, this sound card kind of thing has this AGC control. Now if I enable this, it's just gonna get a lot more louder, as you can see on the waveform over there. So well, there's that. I don't know if this is what provides power, but it just starts clipping and everything. It's really loud, but it also just is not as clean of a signal, so it's not really all that nice to listen to. Also, I'm just going to disable this. That's the only option that it has. Now it has this volume control thing on the front, so if I just go ahead and bring that down, which doesn't really work all that well, because I don't know, it just turns the microphone off when it goes down, but it turns the microphone on. It doesn't really like lower the volume, if you know what I mean. Now you can actually use this with the motherboard's audio in, or you can use it with the handy decoder like the Zoom H1 or the Zoom H5, and I do recommend it using with a better source like that, because it needs a little bit of power going out. And personally I think the motherboard audio is fine for recording audio on this thing, so you're not gonna have a problem with that. And because this is an analog microphone, it sounds better than like a digital microphone that works on a USB interface. So it doesn't sound really harsh, it doesn't sound brittle in any way. It sounds pretty smooth, kind of like an analog microphone. Well, because it is an analog microphone, it does have a XLR input which goes to 3.5mm headphone jack. So this microphone has a frequency range of 15 Hz to 15 kHz, so it doesn't go to like 20 kHz and stuff like that. Well, I mean, it is really cheap, so I don't know why you would expect anything more than that. You just plug it into your motherboard. It comes with a decent length cable, the 3.5mm headphone jack cable. It also comes with a little stand, which I don't really use because I've actually got this put on to my boomstick, which I use, and I can just move it away when I'm not using it, which is really nice. It's really convenient to use. I mean, it's £10 and I think it sounds pretty good. It is omnidirectional. You can hear everything going on, but since it's closer to my mouth rather than the other things, my voice is going to be the loudest. So anyways, That's pretty much it for this video. Just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this microphone, and if I should actually test out other microphones. I've got a few lying around, and one of them I'm actually going to review because it's really good. So make sure you check that out. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go pick it up. Definitely do so. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.